Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Ain binti Abdul Rahim from Mechanical Engineering Department. So what is reverse engineering? Sometimes we call back engineering. It is a process in which software, machine, architectural structure and other products are deconstructed to extract design information. It is involved deconstructing individual components of larger products. It is also enables to determine how a part was designed so that we can recreate the product. The purposes we have a necessary skill to analyze and disassemble a product to understand on how a product function and able to innovate it to one advantage. It is vital importance not only in the world of technology. These are the product description. First, it consists of metal nib, plastic nib, grip, cartridge holder, and pen cap. Then, it is an old type pen which basically writes in water-based ink. Then, it is primarily of royal blue color with black on the cap and the nib grip. For product functionality, the pen carries a cartridge of the ink that flows in the nib due to the force of gravity. The ink reaches the nib and let it out through a gap. The pen is slender and smooth. It is mixture of royal blue and black with a white circle on the cap. It consists of 7 parts: nib, body, cap, clip, capillary tube, and cartridge. It does not leak or smudge and very efficient in terms of writing. And these are 3 of the product structure. Next one, we can see that how does the pen works. Next one is, this is an example of the product which is a pen. There are several things that we make an innovation or improvement for the product. Finally, we know that reverse engineering helps engineers understand the product better in order to be able to understand every single part of the product as far as its design, structure, and function is concerned. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much. You can get more information from the reference.